everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for the wonderful feedback, requests, and the comments that you people have been sending. Also, thank you for the donations and energy exchange that some of you have sent. And I'm really happy to know that the readings are resonating with you. So, I'm back with another pick a card reading for all you people. And this is what you need to hear right now. So, please think about your situations. Please think about whatever you are in at the moment, maybe a relationship, whether a situation, maybe you're confused or you need some kind of a guidance. So anything on your mind, think about it. And I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck, and I've used the rose quartz crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Rider Waite Tarot deck with the amethyst crystal on top, and this is pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck along with the golden quartz crystal on top. So take your time, choose your pile. You could take a few seconds, put your video on hold, see which pile is calling you, see what energies are calling you. You could also use these crystals to make your choice. Based on the crystals, you could make the decision of which pile you want to choose. So please remember that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with your situation completely. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Also, please use my readings as a guiding tool and see what fits best for you, your past, your present, and depending on that, you could take whatever fits in your situation for the future, and you could leave out the rest. So I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what we have for people who've chosen pile number 1. What message, what you need to hear at this point in time, what the cards are telling you. So people who've chosen this particular pile, pile number 1, things are moving ahead in the right direction, and I see a lot happening, very positive outcomes happening for you, people who've chosen this particular pile, whether it's health, whether it's finances, whether it's a complete balance of the situation, family life, relationships, work, career, anything. Things are definitely a yes, and a big victory is there. Success is on the cards for you, but you might be feeling that there is some kind of a stagnancy, some kind of a dullness, because things are moving a little slow. You're putting in efforts, but then because you don't get the results very rapidly, you feel that okay, there is a stagnancy, maybe I'm not on the right track, maybe I need to do more. So let me assure you that there is a complete satisfaction on the cards, new beginnings, or I should say whatever you have planned, these plans are going to be successful. If you have thought of new ventures, especially in career, jobs, work, business, finances, everything is definitely very positive for you, and the time is approaching wherein these ventures, these new beginnings are ready to just get set, go. So your plans or anything that's on your mind, you need to just now initiate and go ahead with the flow. Things are falling for you, things are going best for you, so don't hold back now. For a lot of you, if you're in relationships or something, or if you little confused regarding taking a decision, or maybe because something in the past has happened which has just made you stressed out or anxious, and now that that feeling of not being able to move ahead, or how should I go ahead, I'm a little confused, you're not really focusing on that thing, maybe because you're a little you're a little scared or you're a little skeptical. Please remove all these stresses and anxieties, because the time has come wherein you now need to get out of this comfort zone and just jump in, take the plunge, jump into this valley which has been planned by the universe. There is everything set for you. You need to just take this risk to move forward, people who've chosen pile number 1. So don't hold back, don't let anything hold you back, don't let feelings of the past or energies that are still left inside you, pent up inside you, some memories, some anxieties that are coming from the past are not letting you move forward. So please now remove them, get set for this new beginning that the universe has planned for you. Also, maybe your expectations haven't been set, fulfilled 100% in something that you did in the past. Again, it could be a relationship, it could be work, it could be business, but now a new beginning has started. Your struggle is over. You have finally come to a point wherein all the hard work, everything has finally become, you assembled everything for yourself, and now that last move is left. The last leg of this whole new beginning that has to come in your life is left. So you need to take that plunge and let this whole negativity that's surrounding you, or a little dullness that's surrounding you, you need to just put it on a side and move forward with open arms and accept what the universe is bringing for you. And yes, success, victory is definitely on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1. Also, when it comes to relationships or family life or anything that's that is your situation at this point in time, I do see that something again from the past, some kind of a dissatisfaction, some kind of a betrayal, something is still lingering on in your mind and is not letting you move forward. You need to understand that relationships are not the same, people are not the same. What has happened, what has gone by has, been finished. So even if that relationship has been over, or you're still in it and you're not being able to get out of it, you want to come out but you're not being able to come out, or it's really made you disturbed, it's really had a very negative impact from on you, you need to understand, you need to now let go of those feelings. If the relationship is still there but you do not wish to be with this person, or you do not want to be with this person because of the betrayal or anything, please let go. Understand that a new beginning awaits you. New relationships, new connections, new bonds are here. Please remove the confusion from your mind, people who are chosen this particular pile. Unnecessary, you are dwelling in this stress and in this anxiety and making yourself exhausted. Real, love is in the air, things are beautiful. So either the relationship that you are in, you're not being able to make it work, or you're not being able to really give your 100% because of something coming from the past, or you have had a bad, a heartbreak or something, a betrayal, something where somebody has backstabbed you, or there is a lack of commitment or anything, then just put it on the side and go ahead with the flow for a better tomorrow, for a new relationship, for a new, commitment, for a something that's awaits you. But for that let go. The major message, the major thing that you need to know right now is letting go and being prepared for the new, because everything here is very positive in the times to come. And new beginnings, I again repeat, is on the cards. People who have chosen pile number 1 for higher education or something to do with work, jobs, everything, there are new beginnings for you. There, sky is the limit. This is your time to just shoot off, and whatever your plans are, whatever everything is, you've done everything, your work is all set. You just need to take that plunge. Like if you've thought of a business, your everything is ready, you used your mind, everything, but maybe that lack of that enthusiasm or that spirit or the fear of whether it will be successful or not, or whether this risk is worth it, is just stopping you, it's holding you back. So please, now is the time to just move on and live your dreams, work towards them, and also believe in the universe, that universe has planned this for you. And rest, just your hard work has been done, so now leave it to the almighty. Also, people who are in relationships at this point in time, your person is here to stay. So leave the past, go on with this person in the new beginning, new phase of your life. And any confusion that's on your mind, the wait is now over. Things are definitely going to happen the way you want them to happen. People who've chosen pile number 1, let's see what the mystical wisdom cards are guiding you to do, what you need to hear right now from the mystical wisdom cards. Take the leap of faith. It's amazing to see how the art of tarot deck and the mystical wisdom cards are just saying exactly the same thing. You need to take the leap of faith. You need to take this plunge. You need to have faith that by falling in this valley or taking this risk or taking this decision of going ahead and letting go of the past is definitely the plan of the future, and that's the plan of the universe for you, that has been written for you by destiny or almighty. So this is the current thing that is required of you, to let go of the past and move in, take the leap of faith towards a better tomorrow, because everything is written very positive for you. New beginnings, new things are on the cards. People who've chosen this pile, maybe you're skeptical about marriage, or you're confused whether you want to get married to this person or something on those lines. So the cards are definitely very positive and assuring that yes, the person is there and the person is here to stay. And any new businesses, work, ventures that you've really planned for yourself, or you're holding yourself back, that what if I fail, what if it doesn't work, what if the business is not really do well. So you need to believe that the universe will reward you for your good deeds, that whatever you've done in the past. Maybe 7 heavenly virtues have been done from your end, or maybe your hard work has really spoken volumes, and now this is the key to your goodness, and this is what is going to lead you in the positive direction that has come your way and has been sent by the almighty. Follow your intuition. The mystical wisdom cards are telling you to do that. And also get ready for a positive change. You need to move forward. Moving forward is the key. So let go of the past, take the leap of faith, and move forward in the direction that the universe is taking you. So that was for you, pile number 1. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave your comments and feedbacks in the comments section. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. What you need to hear right now. People who've chosen pile number 2, I see that there is a lot of stress, stagnancy, anxiety, exhaustion at the moment. Some of you may have been backstabbed, some of you may have been betrayed in any work, relationship, career, job, anything. There has been some kind of a deception. Somebody has deceived you, and that's really shaken you up. It's not really letting you move forward. So firstly, the cards are very assuring that a 360-degree change, a move definitely is there for you on the cards. And 6 days from now, a lot of you will start feeling better. A lot of you will feel the positive vibrations, or something that yes, it's now moving forward. That stagnancy or that weight is now started moving. Your hard work, first of all, you will want to work. You will want to work hard for any situation that you are in. You will want to put in the efforts, which right now are not there. You're very stressed, you're very anxious. And once you start putting in those efforts, definitely there is contentment on the cards. Maybe some of you are just back in your shell, or are ignoring a lot of things because it's not letting you move forward, and that's what you choose best to do. So yes, for those people, automatically within the next 27 days, you will see that you have started working. You have started seeing those situations which you were actually ignoring, or there was a lack of focus because you felt that you can't really handle it, so it's rather just put it at the back seat. Also, whatever you plan, whatever you want to do, listen to your intuition, connect to the spiritual higher self, ask for wisdom. Your intuitions will be very powerful at this point in time. They will help you to move forward, guide you forward. And again, anything that you plan for yourself, like I said, there is a big change coming, there is a big move coming in the future. Connection with the almighty, asking the almighty for giving you whatever wishes you have, or praying will definitely, make your wishes granted. For people who've chosen pile number 2, there is a little weight on the cards, but this struggle is definitely here to end, and black is black, white is white. Things will become crystal clear for people who've chosen pile number 2. Unexpected moves, unexpected fortunes, things just happening out of the blue for you people are just going to be, happening. Also, again, I'm repeating, a lot of you might have faced some kind of a dishonest relationship, dishonest person might have been in your life, backstabbing, three party situation wherein, there was a love triangle, or somebody was again betraying you or being dishonest, jealousies, those kind of things might have happened in the past. So you need to now forget those. You need to understand that that is over, and the spiritual connection is a must. It will take you forward. Pray to the Almighty and thank them that the situation came and showed you the true face at the right stage. That is also very important, because this would have taken, it could have just gone on happening, or maybe, prolonged for a much longer time, and maybe you would have been in a situation wherein it would have been very difficult for you to retract yourself and come out of it. But now you should thank the universe, thank the Almighty, that whatever had to happen has happened. You saw the true face, and now you're again ready to be the magician of your life, plan your life, be the master of your life. You will have all the plans set for yourself. 28 days from now, execution will be the key. You need to execute your plans. You need to plan your strategies for whatever, whether work, whether business, relationships, anything that's on your mind. The cards are definitely very promising and fulfilling. And maybe a lot of, for some of you, there is a change of, place, there is a change of house, or some kind of shifting. Again, I'm repeating, like I said, unexpected fortunes or something on those lines. Things will just start gaining that momentum. 18 days from now, this rough patch, this negativity, this anxiety that you are in is definitely moving towards the positive, and this negative patch is ending. And on the relationship front, on the financial front, I definitely see financial fulfillment and a sense of satisfaction. So your efforts will be, rewarded. And that focus that you have, drifted from, needs to definitely come back. People who've chosen this particular pile. Also, maybe some of you are confused regarding, again, relationships or work or anything that's on your mind, and you might need some kind of external help. You might need to just consult someone or take this negativity out that's just making you frustrated, or it's just removing all your energies because it's there inside and not really letting you move forward. So please consult somebody, speak to somebody, get this negativity off you, take it out from your system, because it's unnecessarily, disturbing you, it's exhausting you and not letting the growth happen. Once this evades, once this whole feeling that you've kept inside yourself comes out, it will be really better, and it would really help you to move forward. Again, I'm repeating, finances, financial situation, people who are in financial situations want to know about their finances. Things are definitely heading on the positive side, and your hard work will pay off. Your feeling of enthusiasm, the element of achieving is definitely in you. For some of you, you might be feeling a little overburdened because of working too hard or not getting the desired results. So please remember, just keep putting in these efforts and do not hide anything. Do not hide it from yours. Do not try to cheat. That okay, I'll tell the world I'm doing so much, but actually you're not doing that much work, because it's not going to really help you. You need to be true to yourself. You need to be true in relationships. People who are in relationships and maybe you are the ones who are hiding something from your person is definitely loyal. So please be true to them. Please understand that anything that you might do will just make your person away from you, or you might be in a feeling of being on guard, that as long as this situation doesn't come in front of my person, I'll just let it be, and once I'm asked about it, I know what to say. Please be honest, please be true to your person. And also, for a lot of you, I see that your image really matters to you when it comes to any relationship or anything that you're doing. And You might even lie to save your image, but remember, this lying is a very short term uh, solution that you are going to be falling for. So please try and be very clean in the kind of partnerships you're doing, any kind of partnerships, any kind of relationships, whether it's marriage, whether it's going ahead with your person. You need to be very true to your person. And 3.5 weeks from now, for a lot of people, I see you moving forward. I see you coming out of this phase and just beginning your new life, beginning a new chapter. Balance, your yin and yang is definitely going to get balanced automatically. But remember, truth, honesty at this point in time is extremely important. People who've chosen this pile, be true to yourself, be true to your person. Any relationship, any partnerships that are there on your mind, you need to be very true. And people who've chosen this pile, also you need to, for people who are feeling that their energies are being blocked, or you're not being able to release out the energy, and you're still not being able to come out of that hurt that you have had in the past, you need to just consult somebody, take some help, so that it helps you move forward in life. And for people who've chosen this particular pile, the miracle cards are guiding you that you are surrounded by wonderful angels who are watching you and protecting you. So make sure that you do not get angry, do not have a negative. Again, like I said, your anger, your negativity, maybe from the past, is coming and is not letting you move forward. So even the angels are not ready to, are not being able to enter your life because of the anger. So please overcome your anger, overcome the negativity. Also, it's time for changes and new beginnings. You need to be more adaptable, you need to be more tolerant. So people who've chosen this pile, maybe something didn't work out in the past, so now in the new beginnings, new changes, be more adaptable, be more tolerant, be vision oriented, and be goal oriented. And that's what the Rider-Waite tarot cards have said, that focus is lost. You need to understand what you really want. Now is the time that whatever you've been ignoring, whatever you've put on the side, because you thought that you're not, that situation is really not meant to be, given attention at that point in time, or it was not in your control, so you decided to put it on the back seat. Now it's the time you need to, put your focus on those situations, so that you're clear in your visions and your goals. Also, there is like I said, that there is that element of enthusiasm which will be seen in you. So the cards are definitely showing me that a burning desire to achieve targets will be on your mind, and you might be, really pushed forward, and there'll be this accelerated movement in your life, and a feeling of accomplishment and completion in you, because the fire element is very strong. So 3.5 weeks for people who are in that state right now of stagnancy, dullness, stress, things will automatically start moving for you. This is the time for a very strong willpower and patience, and that's what the Rider-Waite cards have in the beginning said, that whatever this situation is, it's really difficult. So have patience and have a strong will to move forward. People who've chosen this pile, everything definitely is planned well for you. And also, you need to understand that, a new idea or a temptation or something, like I said in the beginning, that you might be hiding something from your person or something in the relationship. So it's very clear from this that some kind of a temptation or a temptation in your romance will disturb you and be a distraction in your life. So make sure that you do not give this kind of energy, or don't let these things disturb you. Be very goal oriented, and also make sure that you need to have assess the pros and cons of anything before you venture into it. Any new idea, any new partnership, relationships, whatever it may be, you need to be very alert and watch closely of this situation. And also, I saw in the beginning that you have been betrayed, so your energies are anyways very negative. Also, you need to understand that hiding that we have seen in the cards, you might hide from your person, or your person might hide, or a relation, a partnership, any partnership that you get into, be very sure that whatever this person is in the partnership, business partnership or any kind of partnership, make sure that you can trust this person. Don't just do any kind of signing. Be very very focused on what you're reading, what you're signing. Keep your eyes and ears open, because there could be some kind of a mistrust issue or a deception issue for people who've chosen pile number 2. So I hope the reading was resonant with you, people who chose pile number 2. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much. I'll be coming back with more such videos. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3. Please think about your situation, what you need to hear right now. Alright, people who've chosen pile number 3, for a lot of you, I see, whether it's in relationships, normal life, family life, there is a reunion, there is a meeting of people. You might be meeting your person, you might meet your old friends, some happy moments, some times of celebration. Those things are definitely on the cards. Maybe it's just happened that you had a reunion or a patch up with your person. Maybe there was something going on, but now things have resolved. So there is definitely balance in life. At the moment, things are absolutely clean, plain. What was due to you is definitely here. You've got it, and a feeling of balance is on the cards. You're feeling well, you're feeling good on, in general, health, wealth, peace, prosperity, finances, relationships, everything going well for you. People who must be waiting, like I said, must have been a fight, must have been some problems in the past. So things have now, that wait is over. Things have suddenly just become well for you, and it is a wonderful time. Universe has balanced things for you. There is, there you are blessed. Blessings have been coming, pouring onto you, people. The divine is taking care of you. The Almighty is taking care of you. Also, your intuitions are very strong at this point in time, and since things are going well for you, things are going under control for you, you need to definitely thank the universe, thank the Almighty. Praying should not take a back seat. The spiritual connection should keep moving. So for people who've chosen this particular pile, create balance in life. Everything is going well for you. So please make sure that you repay back it to the nature, to the universe. Give your small kinds of donations or whatever best you can do. Feed the needy, feed the dogs, anything that is works well from your end, and your efforts that you've been putting in the past are now giving you results. It is definitely a rewarding time for people who've chosen this particular pile, because I see that maybe in the past you had some kind of a weight, some kind of a stress with things. Also, for people who've chosen this pile, for some of you, if you still, things are going well for you, but some of you still feel that even though things are fine, something from the past is coming back, something from the past is still disturbing you. Please release it. This is a time to be content. This is a time to feel happy and content with whatever you're getting. Things are moving well for you. And also, for people who need some kind of a help, whether finances, whether work, whether relationships, anything on your mind, you will get that. Cards are definitely positive for you. Cards are very helping. So you need to firstly pay back to nature, and then that spiritual angle which I was talking about. Please tap your spiritual energies. Please connect, ask for wisdom, thank the universe. Also introspect, and try and see what else, what is the next focus you need, what is the next thing you need to focus on. Celebration is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3, and also a lot of things that you desire are just set for you as a package. So there is really no dearth of anything for people who've chosen this particular pile. The feeling of accomplishment, the feeling of gaining, the feeling of feeling really enthusiastic is on the cards. Women who've chosen pile number 3, if you have a desire to start something of your own, or if you've been trying to tap the creative side in you for your financial well-being or material well-being, this is a wonderful time for you to start it. So new beginnings are on the cards for you. People who've been feeling overburdened because of their old pressures, past pressures, or feeling that things have been happening in phases and you now need to be, relaxed and at ease, then definitely this is the time that the universe brings ease into your life. Your disturbances, your anxieties just take a back seat. Thank the universe, people who've chosen this pile. I'm again repeating, your your connection with the universe, with the almighty, with anybody who you believe in is very important, because everything is working out well for you. And before these things just fade away, or before your non connection to the spiritual aspect, because you did not connect with the spiritual aspect, or you were too involved in the materialistic pleasures or the materialistic happiness that you were being provided with, and just focusing on the practical part, things will just fade off. Things might not really be the way they are at the moment. So you really need to thank the almighty, I'm again repeating, for all the things that you have been blessed with and things that are just being bestowing upon you. Relationships are definitely very positive, very blooming. Your person is definitely in love with you, and for a lot of you, marriage is on the cards. Family life, perfection, satisfaction is here. Any confusions that have been coming, maybe some decisions you need to take, yes, confusions, decisions that you need to make, you will automatically be able to make the right choice and move forward. And this is definitely a time for new beginnings, taking those risks, going forward without being really worried about what is going to happen, or without really thinking about what if this doesn't work out, or the fear of the unknown, because there is, blessings are being bestowed on you, and you will automatically able to see that if in the present or in your recent past things have been just moving the way you've been planning them, and a tough cycle might have got over for a lot of you. So this is your time, and you need to just focus and go ahead with the new energies that are calling you. And like I said, marriage is definitely on the cards for a lot of you. The relationships are take here to be progressing towards a new chapter in your life. A new climax definitely approaches for people who've chosen this pile. And also prosperity lies ahead for people who've chosen pile number 3. The Moonology cards are confirming, just surrender to the divine. And that's what the Mystic Monday tarot cards are saying, that surrendering is the key. Your connection to the divine, your divine intervention is definitely required. And believe in the impossible. Everything is possible for you. Your hard work is already paying off, and for some, if it's not, you will see how things just start taking a turn for you. Your dreams now need a practical plan. So for those of you who are still in that zone of your plans are set but you need to move forward, then just strategize and go ahead without fearing what the unknown has. Balance your spirituality and practicality, and that's what the Mystic Monday tarot cards have confirmed, that you cannot just keep going in one direction. If you're just very spiritual and just believing and leaving everything on the universe, please make sure that your efforts are also going hand in hand. And for the people who are putting in their best efforts, you can't just keep working practically. You need to also allow the spiritual connection to form. A new start, a new beginning is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. So that was for you, pile number 3. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave your comments and feedback in the comment section. You could also send in your requests for general readings. I'll be happy to do them. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much once again. Take care and stay safe.